In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully add HTML code in Framer. Framer is an interactive design tool used to create unique experiences, and this tutorial will guide you on how to insert your unique HTML code into your design interface. To begin, you need to click on Framer. This will open up the workspace of the tool where you'll be able to customize or edit your designs. Once you're on the home interface of this tool, the next step is to search for the Embed tool. Using the search bar, input the keyword Embed, and it will provide a list of related options. From these, you must select Embed. This is a crucial step as the Embed tool enables you to add HTML code to your Framer project. After you select Embed, you will need to click on it. This will open the options for the Embed tool. Once clicked, you will see a panel opening up on the left side of your screen. This panel is your go-to place for embedding HTML code. Within this panel, you'll notice there are two options, HTML and URL. These are two different options you can use to insert code in Framer. For this tutorial, you will need to set it to URL. The URL option is what we're interested in. Once you've set it to URL, the next and final step is inputting your specific HTML code. You will observe a text area in the panel where you need to paste your HTML code. This is an important part as the HTML code that you paste here is what will be embedded into your Framer project. As soon as you paste the code in the text area, you successfully embed your HTML code into Framer. That's it. You have learned how easy it is to add HTML code in Framer. Now, with this knowledge handy, you'll be able to enhance and further personalize your projects in Framer. Keep experimenting and keep designing.